What is up guys, this is Karan here. Welcome back to Tech Karan YouTube channel. After a long time I've installed Havoc OS latest official build, which is based on Android version 10 with the security patch of August 2020. As you can see, this is Havoc OS version 3.8 with Android version 10 and with the August security patch. For Redmi Note 8 it has the Quicksilver kernel pre-installed. This is the default kernel which is available in Havoc OS latest official build. I'll provide the link in the description for all the supported devices for Havoc OS official, and in this video I'm gonna share with you some performance related things in Havoc OS. Which are the things you get here? How's the battery backup, what is the Geekbench score, how about the camera, how about the performance features including PubG, battery backup, a lot more things. Make sure to watch this video till the end to understand everything. Now let's get started. Okay guys, first of all let us start with the home screen and the launcher. We have the default launcher, something different. This is a not kind of launcher. This is not the Pixel launcher. What is this launcher? This is actually the Shady launcher, which is pre-installed, which is something kinda unique. When you go to the about section, you can see this is Shady launcher by Anu Sheikh, Skull Shady version 10. It has a very great kind of customization features like home screen customization, app drawer customization, grid, icons, gestures, and about. This does not have that much great features which are present in launcher, but it has some great features which are not available in the Pixel launcher, and it is also one of the great alternatives of Pixel launcher. When you go to the gestures, you have three kind of gestures available: swipe down to clear all the recents, and swipe down for notifications, and double tap to sleep. These kind of options this get. We have the icons customization, where you can choose icon size and you can choose the custom icon pack from Google Play Store if you want to. Other things include the app drawer customization, where you have the app predictions, and also we have the hidden and protected apps, which means you can enable the app lock. And yes, this app lock is restricted to the launcher only. If you change the launcher, you might not see the app lock available. So this is still something good because we have the app lock pre-installed with the home screen customizations, features, etc. Now if we talk about the performance, the smoothness is very good. The touch response is pretty much fine. I'm using them some time and I didn't got any lags at all. If you hold there, you can see your all recent options are available here, and if you swipe down, here it is, we don't have any recent options, which mean swipe down, clear all gesture is very perfectly fine here in this launcher. And also this ROM is quite good in the terms of app scrolling speed. Okay, let me show you two more things. First of all, the Geekbench score, how's the performance, and second one, we're gonna talk about the Magisk safety net status. So first of all, we're gonna click our Geekbench score app and go here, go to the history. Let me show you what is the Geekbench score I got in this build. 311 is the single core and 1311 is the multi-core score, which is for Redmi Note 8 users only. If you are using any other device, these scores may be different. If you compare your single core score, 307 is the average score, we got 311. If you compare your multi-core score, 1300 is the average one, we got 1311, which is quite comfortable as this build is better in the terms of performance if you compare it with your stock ROM. And if we talk about the Magisk safety net status, the best part is we're using Magisk 20.4 and the safety net status is passed. Not sure about the banking apps, you can use the Magisk hide option from here. When you go to the settings option, here you have the Magisk hide option available. As you can see, hide Magisk from various forms of detection. You can try out this kind of thing if you want to, and also you can enable this biometric authentication for granting the root permission to some apps. And also when you go to the Google Play Store and go to the settings, here we have the Play Protect certification here, which is device is certified, which is also kind of a great thing. Guys, let's take a look at the quick settings. Right now we have these kind of quick settings panel available here, where you can add or remove any tiles from here. What you have to do is just click here and you can add any tile from here. There are extra options available. I already have added approximately 24 tiles options, which means as you can see 3 9, 12, or whatever else is 24 tiles are only already available. Screencast, dark theme, location, FPS info, screen record, and these are some more tiles which I can add if I want to, like sound search, invert colors, and some things like that. We have some great kind of features which includes the screenshot option. First of all, if we talk about this, if we click once, it will show the screenshot partial. If we click once again, it will show screenshot full. So which means I can adjust my screenshot to full or partial if I want to. We have the screen record option available here, where you can customize the screen record, video bitrate up to 20 Mbps, and audio source from internal or microphone, and some things like that. We also have other things which includes the FPS info. So if we need FPS info on our this top left of your device, then you can see here, and you also have the gaming mode option available here. If we talk about the PubG, I have played PubG from some time. When you go to the graphics, by default smooth and medium as expected for Redmi Note 8. You can play in balance and medium also. You cannot play in HD, HDR or Ultra HD. If you want to know how you can enable the HD, HDR or Ultra HD mode, I made a video on that already. You can go and check it out, and then you will be able to understand how you can play this game in HD or HDR. If we talk about other things, the lags and some things like that, yes, lags are there. I cannot recommend you this game and this room for gaming, because let me show you, you can simply enable the FPS from here, and then we can start playing gaming. The game will go up to 60 FPS. I have used this build for some time. You can see your FPS here, and this is helpful for you to check out how much FPS you get in PUBG right now. But the thing is, the ROM is laggy. Not the ROM is laggy, but actually the PUBG performance is laggy. So I'll not recommend you, because also the battery drainage is there. I have used for some time. There's a huge battery drain if I play PUBG for, I think I played PUBG for approximately 30 minutes approximately. The device was heating, and also there was some battery drainage also available, which is not kind of a good thing. You can understand, you should not install this build, install this HavoQuest ROM if you want to play games, because this is not kind of good thing. Yes, if you want good gaming, you can go for Corvus, and there are some other rooms also available. Let me show you one more thing. You can simply enable the gaming mode option from here. You can simply enable, as you can see, gaming mode turned on. If you enable the gaming mode, still you will not get that much great type of performance which you should get in a custom ROM, especially if you're a gamer. So if you're a gamer, I'll not recommend you to choose this ROM in the forms of performance or gaming. Performance is still good, but game is laggy. PUBG lags a lot, and FPS is not good. You will see some frame drops there and some things like that. We have the gaming mode indication. You can adjust from here, and some little bit of options are available. You can add apps in gaming mode. Like if I choose PUBG from here, you will still not be able to choose these kind of things. You'll still feel that this is not complete. You should try out any other build if you want gaming. Now let us talk about the camera which is present in this build. We have the Me camera present, and I have the macro lens, I have the photo mode, video mode, the 48 megapixel, almost every kind of things are available in this camera. And in this Redmi Note 8 build, we can use this stock Me camera, which is working very fine. If you're missing Me camera stock camera, then you should not worry about. You can install this custom ROM and you will get the feel of stock camera with working 48 megapixel. You can enable the watermark if you want to, or you can also choose a custom watermark. These kind of things, these kind of customizations you get here. And if you talk about the GCam, let me show you the GCam also. Okay, if we talk about the GCam, I'm using the latest GCam 7.3 in my case, and if you also want this kind of GCam on your device, as always the link is in the description for this GCam, which you can use and try out on your device. We have the working portrait mode. As you can see, you can simply click the photos if you want to, and the portrait mode of GCam is one of the great things. If you have ever used the portrait mode, go to more option, you have the Google Lens option, slow motion, photosphere, and almost everything is available. You can shoot the videos, and the videos you can shoot up to 60 fps. As you can see, you can enable the 60 fps if you want to. When you go to the camera option, you can enable the motion. You can choose the HDR option in the settings, where the Google Lens suggestions and all the main features which we need in a camera are present in this GCam. Now let's move on to one of the important part of this custom room, which is some features, because HavoCOS comes with great kind of features present pre-installed. As you can see, configuration center is available here. If we talk about the battery backup, let me show you my battery graph. Battery graph is not good, it has some drain. I just used PubG for 16 minutes, I got this kind of drain, and also the phone was heating, which is not good, because if you are using your device and you just play game for 15 minutes and then your device starts heating, is not good in my opinion. You can use the Corvus ROM, you can use other ROMs which are present for a device, and you might get good gaming performance there, but in this build it's not for gaming. It's my opinion, I am not sure about you. We have the face lock option available. We don't get the new UI where the icons are present there, the animated icons actually, but these are not present here. Now let's talk about the configuration center which is present in the HavoCOS custom ROM, and this is the configuration center which has great customization features: status bar, quick settings, lock screen, ambient display, and these kind of things you already know about. We have the status bar customization where you can enable the network speed, carrier label, and some things like that, and all the same features which are present in other custom ROMs also. Quick settings customization, as these are present in other custom ROMs. We can enable the header image if we want to, but all the things are quite same. Nothing new, nothing different. It is almost same, and it has almost same features like if you get in MSM extended and something like that. But yes, this ROM still have some cool kind of features like the ambient display, which you can use to always on if you want to, which is kind of great thing. And AOSP ROM with always on display does not decrease your battery that much. Yes, always on display will decrease your battery, of course, but in AOSP ROMs it will not decrease. Like MIUI AOD is far better than this and far battery drainer for your device. We have the double tap and pickup and hand wave, which means always on display customizations. We have the buttons and navigations. We have this kind of option, IME button space, in which you can go here and you can see there's no space behind the keyboard, which is one of the great things about using this AOSP based Android 10 based ROM. As for me, from my opinions, we can customize the power menu where you can choose a screenshot, screen record, and these kind of things. Almost same. Gestures, notifications, battery saving options are available, which is like suspend actions and block sensor. And I don't think so a lot of you guys will use these kind of things because these are not necessarily available in miscellaneous. The gaming mode, screenshot type, and almost everything are available. These were the things I just wanted to share with you, so I hope you like it. This was all from today's review about HavoCOS official build, available for a lot of devices. Link is in the description, you can go and download. This was all, thanks for watching, goodbye, have a nice day.